Why don't we trust atoms? Because they make up everything? Just like these atoms, the nutrients in the food we eat also contribute significantly to the composition of our bodies. Speaking of composition, let's delve deeper into the intricacies of how food influences our body's pH balance. The pH balance, for those who might not be, is a scale that gauges the acidity or alkalinity of a substance. This scale ranges from 0 to 14, and it plays a pivotal role in our body's overall well-being. The human body, for optimal functioning, requires a pH level that is slightly alkaline, around 7.4. This level is crucial for various body functions, such as digestion and immunity. Maintaining this optimal pH balance isn't merely essential, but it is the key to staying in the pink of health. Now, on to the alkaline diet. It's not just a typical diet, but it's a lifestyle choice. The purpose of this diet? Primarily to maintain and balance our body's pH level through the food choices we make. It focuses on consuming more alkaline-forming foods like fresh vegetables and fruits, and fewer acid-forming foods like meat, dairy, and processed foods. Alkaline foods are nutrient-rich, and they help in neutralizing excess acids in the body, contributing significantly to health and wellness. The balance achieved through this diet doesn't just tip the scale in favor of better, but it also aids in preventing various ailments. Conditions like osteoporosis, arthritis, and even some forms of cancer can be kept at bay when we maintain a balanced pH level in our bodies. In essence, this diet translates to a prevention-focused lifestyle that advocates for proactive health management. A balanced pH level means a balanced body. So let's jump into how we can attain this coveted balance. The alkaline diet is more than just a fad. It's a lifestyle. This phrase describes a perspective towards nutrition that goes beyond the superficial understanding of mere sustenance. It allows us to envisage a completely alternate universe where the food you consume does more than just satiating your hunger. Explore a world where every bite you take not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also contributes to establishing and preserving the delicate equilibrium of your body's pH level. This equilibrium is a significant determinant of your overall health. Imagine feeling invigorated and bursting with vitality. This is the fascinating universe of the alkaline diet. But what precisely is the alkaline diet? And why should you consider incorporating it into your lifestyle? In essence, the alkaline diet is a nutritional approach that lays emphasis on foods that are believed to have an alkalizing effect on the body. This means these foods assist in neutralizing the acid in your body, thereby helping to maintain a balanced pH level. A balanced pH level has myriad repercussions on your health and is the fundamental concept of the alkaline diet. The potential benefits of this diet are numerous and impressive. It provides support to maintain kidney health, fortifies your bones, reduces the chances of muscle wasting, and even diminishes the risk factor for hypertension and stroke. But the benefits of an alkaline diet extend beyond these. This diet is also conducive to enhancing cardiovascular health and improving memory and cognition. Moreover, it could prove instrumental in preventing the onset of type 2 diabetes. The alkaline diet comprises a plethora of healthful and delicious foods. The list includes fruits and vegetables, soybeans and tofu, a variety of nuts and seeds, legumes, and certain grains. It's like a banquet of nutrient-rich, low-fat, and fiber-loaded foods that not only gratify your palate, but also contribute positively to your health. However, the most appealing aspect of the alkaline diet is its inclusive approach. This diet does not advocate complete exclusion of all acidic foods. It recognizes that certain foods like lean meats, dairy, and whole grains, which are acidic, are important constituents of a balanced diet. The fundamental principle is to ensure that your consumption of alkaline foods outweighs that of acidic foods. The alkaline diet is akin to a beautiful symphony. Each food item a crucial role, adding to the overall melodious harmony of your body's pH balance. It's not merely about being perfect all the time, but more about creating a harmonious melody of health and wellness through your food choices. Remember, the alkaline diet isn't about restriction, it's about balance. It's about making informed choices that bolster your body's health. It's about embracing a lifestyle that lets flourish and thrive. So why not experiment with it? You might find that your body responds with gratitude. The alkaline diet is more than just a fad, it's a lifestyle. Let's uncover the magic of alkaline foods. Now, you may be wondering, what even are alkaline foods? Well, these are foods that have a higher pH level, usually above 7. This means they can help neutralize the acid in your body, leading to improved health and well-being. Alkaline foods are often rich in calcium, potassium, and magnesium. 3 essential minerals that play a crucial role in maintaining your body's overall health. They contribute to various bodily functions, from muscle contraction to nerve function, and even maintaining your heart rate. Let's dive into some examples of these fantastic foods. First up, we have leafy greens. These aren't just any leafy greens, but the champions of alkalinity. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are all excellent examples. Their dark, rich green color is due to their high nutritional value. Packed with an array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these leafy greens are also known to help balance your body's pH level. Incorporating them into your diet can help you achieve optimal health. Next on are our root vegetables. Vibrant in color and bursting with flavor, vegetables like beets, radishes, and carrots are all alkaline foods. These vegetables are not just delicious, but they also offer a wide array of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to promoting healthy skin and even improving your eyesight. Now, let's move on to fruits. Avocados, bananas, and watermelons are all alkaline fruits. They're not only mouth-wateringly delicious, but also excellent for maintaining a balanced pH level in your body. Their high fiber content also aids in digestion and helps to keep you full and satisfied, making them an ideal addition to any weight loss plan. How about some alkaline grains? Quinoa and millet are 2 great examples. These grains are not just alkaline, but also a fantastic source of protein, providing your body with the energy it needs to carry out daily tasks. Nuts and seeds like almonds and sunflower seeds are alkaline and loaded with healthy fats and protein. They make for a perfect snack, keeping you fueled and satisfied throughout the day. But how can we incorporate all these alkaline foods into our daily meals? Well, it's easier than you might think. You can whip up a salad with plenty of leafy greens, throw in some root veggies into your stir-fry, snack some almonds, or blend a refreshing watermelon smoothie. The options are endless, and the benefits are incredible. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate acidic foods entirely, but to create a balance. A more alkaline diet can contribute to better energy levels, improved digestion, and even weight loss. These foods aren't just tasty, they're also pH-friendly. Before we continue, a gentle reminder for our viewers. As we delve into the intriguing universe of alkaline diets, it's important to note that every like on this video is a testimony to healthier lifestyles. So let's make our journey more meaningful by that like button. If you're finding this content as enlightening as we are, consider becoming a part of our growing community. Subscription to our channel ensures direct access to a wealth of health wisdom. All it takes is a click on the subscribe button. Further, we're eager to engage in a conversation with you. The comment section awaits your insights, queries, or even some lighthearted humor. Feel free to state your viewpoints and initiate stimulating discussions. Every conversation starts with a single comment. Your support keeps us going. Now, back to our alkaline adventure. Managing pH levels isn't as daunting as it sounds. It's actually quite straightforward, and it all comes down to the choices you make about what you put into your body. So how do we go about managing our body's pH levels? The answer lies in the food we eat. Let's delve deeper into some practical and easy-to-follow tips for balancing your body's pH through dietary choices. We begin with our morning routine. It's a common saying that the morning sets the tone for the rest of your day, and this holds true when it comes to managing your pH levels as well. Kickstart your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Contrary to popular belief, lemons, despite being a citrus fruit, are actually alkaline forming in the body. This simple morning ritual can set your pH balance on the right path from the start of your day. Next, we move on to a crucial part of our diet: vegetables. Leafy greens, cucumbers, celery, broccoli, and more are high in alkaline and play a significant role in maintaining a balanced pH level. Try to incorporate these green powerhouses into your meals as often as you can. Consider blending them into delicious, nutritious smoothies or incorporating them into your main dishes for a healthful boost. Now let's turn our attention to grains. Many of us love our bread and pasta, but these staples are unfortunately acid-forming. Instead, consider incorporating alkaline grains like quinoa, millet, or buckwheat into your diet. These grains are not only delicious, but also extremely versatile, making them an easy substitute for traditional grains in a wide range of dishes. Proteins are an indispensable part of our diet, but we need to be careful about our choices here too. While meat is a great source of protein, it can be acid-forming. But don't despair, as there are plenty of alternative sources of protein that are alkaline. Consider adding tofu, almonds, and lentils to your diet. These are all excellent sources of alkaline proteins that provide the nutrients you need without increasing the acidity in your body. Hydration is also of paramount importance when it comes to maintaining a balanced pH level. Frequent intake of water helps flush out toxins from the body and aids in digestion and nutrient absorption. Above all, remember that achieving a balanced pH level is about equilibrium. The goal is not to completely eliminate acidic foods, but rather to maintain a balance between acidic and alkaline foods. It's perfectly fine to enjoy your favorite acidic foods occasionally. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. So start making small adjustments to your diet today. Before you know it, you'll find that managing your pH levels effectively isn't as daunting as it sounds. It's all about making mindful choices and maintaining balance, so here's to a healthier, more balanced you. Who said healthy food can't be delicious? Let's dispel this age-old belief and show just how flavorful and varied alkaline diet recipes can be. As lovers of good food and healthy living, we are very excited to share with you some of our favorite, irresistibly delectable alkaline recipes. First on the list is our Green Goddess smoothie, a drink that embodies the perfect balance of taste and nutrition. This high-energy, alkaline-rich beverage is loaded with a variety of greens like spinach, which is known for its iron content and its aid in digestion. We also add cucumber, a cooling and hydrating vegetable, and celery, an excellent source of antioxidants. To bring a bit of zing and to aid in, we add a squeeze of lemon. And lastly, for that hint of sweetness and fiber, we have a small green apple. This delightful mix of ingredients is blended with a cup of unsweetened almond milk, resulting in a refreshing breakfast drink that is sure to kickstart your day. Next, we have a dish that's perfect for lunch or dinner, the quinoa and veggie stir-fry. Quinoa, a precious alkaline grain, is known for its high protein content. It serves as the foundation for this dish. Sauté your preferred alkaline vegetables, such as the crunchy bell peppers, vitamin-rich broccoli, and the versatile zucchini in a bit of olive oil. Once they're perfectly cooked, mix in the quinoa and season with a dash of sea salt and fresh herbs. This dish is not only quick and easy to prepare, but it's extremely satisfying. For those with a sweet tooth, we've prepared a delightful treat: almond and coconut energy balls. Raw almonds, known for their high protein and healthy fats, are mixed with unsweetened coconut that adds a tropical twist to the snack. Naturally, sweet dates are also added, and a pinch of sea salt to balance the flavors. All these ingredients are processed together, rolled into bite-sized balls, and chilled. They serve as the perfect pick-me-up snack that's also absolutely alkaline-friendly. Lastly, but certainly not least, hydration is key in maintaining an alkaline body balance. A straightforward but incredibly beneficial is our lemon and mint-infused water. The refreshing lemon slices and fragrant mint leaves are added to water and let to infuse for a few hours. This infusion not only helps balance your pH levels, but it also provides an incredibly refreshing boost. Remember, alkaline dishes are all about exploring flavors while keeping a healthy balance. The possibilities are endless, and food experimentation can lead to amazing discoveries. So, the next time someone tells you that healthy food is boring or bland, serve them a plate from your alkaline kitchen. They'll be pleasantly surprised, and who knows, you might just inspire them to embark on their own alkaline journey. Bon appetit, or should we say pH appetit? Take your health journey to the next level with these recommended products. We all know it, maintaining the optimal health isn't just a walk in the park. It requires dedication, effort, and the right tools to achieve a body that's in perfect equilibrium. But fret not, for we have a line of products guaranteed to help you achieve balance. In our commitment to promoting excellent health, we've gone the extra mile to bring you the first product on our list, our top-notch alkaline water filters. These aren't your ordinary water filters. They take the game up a notch by providing an easy way to regulate your body's pH levels. They work by elevating the pH of your water, thereby making it more alkaline. What you get is purified water with a health-boosting twist. It's akin to having a tiny, dedicated laboratory right in the comfort of your kitchen, ensuring you get the best hydration possible. Next on our list are alkaline-forming supplements. These aren't your everyday supplements. They are specially formulated with essential minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These powerhouse nutrients are vital for buffering acidity in the body, thus promoting a balanced internal environment. With just a couple of capsules daily, you're stepping into a journey of better health. Then we have the power-packed green superfood powders. They are a quick, convenient, and highly effective way to incorporate alkaline goodness into your diet. Chock full of nutrient-rich fruits, vegetables, and grasses, these powders are your ticket to neutralizing excess acidity, thereby boosting your body's health. A spoonful in your morning smoothie, and voila, you've created a potent pH-balancing concoction. For the culinary enthusiasts out there, our alkaline recipe books are a must-have. These are more than just cookbooks. They are your pathway to delicious, nutritious meals that help maintain the perfect pH balance. They're filled with an array of delightful, alkaline-friendly recipes that'll have you creating health-promoting dishes in no time. Lastly, we introduce you to our simple yet effective pH test strips. These small tools are a vital part of your health toolbox. They provide a quick, easy way to monitor your body's pH levels, helping you gauge the impact of your diet on your body's equilibrium. Remember, these products aren't magic wands, but they can significantly ease your journey towards an alkaline diet. Be sure to check description box for links to these products. And that's a wrap on our recommended health products. We hope you find them as beneficial as we do. Remember, your health is your wealth. And that, folks, is the lowdown on the alkaline diet. We've explored the basics of a balanced eating, delved into the alkaline diet fundamentals, and introduced several alkaline-rich foods. We've closely looked at managing pH balance via our diet and provided some appetizing alkaline recipes for you to try out. This discussion aims to provide insights on how your diet can influence your body's pH levels and overall well-being. It's not merely about consuming alkaline foods, but finding a diet balance that suits your own body needs. In the description box, you'll find our recommended health products that be instrumental in initiating your journey towards a more balanced and healthier lifestyle. Also, we invite you to like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, stay balanced.